Hello YouTube. We are testing out the new overhauled R211. This train has SDS destinations, which means it's not fully overhauled. If it gets overhauled with 80 destinations, it will be good. Here. High-pitched door sounds.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Neil, stand clear of the closing doors.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us.
High-pitched, the speed up delayed.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train.
I can't believe this is the best overhaul. No brakes are set up yet. This is the new overhaul. There's a brand new scripted indicator lights. And a new camo wrap with a sides between the doors. Let's test out. There's no new propulsion yet, but this is okay. There's a new overhaul between the overhauls. And a new overhaul gangway. And a new overhaul seats overhaul. I don't think the handrails are overhauled. Let's say it's overhauled with a brand new lights. I forgot to mention that in a safe. Plus a work in progress overhaul light in Nassau Street. Look, those signs are free models. What are you doing? And this wrap is no good. And there's some sort of, here's the destination test. Yes, it's overhauled.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Goodbye, an old R211. Oh, I forgot to mention there is a new HD admin. The core admin has been replaced. I already have this. Thank you for watching the ATC. Let's check this station. Does it still have the old R211? Or is this Herman Road or not? Fatty. Close the hell. This is SDS a camera. Well, it's not yet overhauled. The overhaul is work in progress, so don't rush. Wait, what? Okay, it's done for the overhaul review notes.